The 2025 Chrysler 300 is a premium automobile that, in addition to being comfortable and driving well, also has a great appearance. Quite a few people go with this alternative when they are looking for a vehicle that is packed with a multitude of features and ample room. Exterior. A sophisticated and appealing look is achieved by the 300 thanks to its forceful lines and chrome accents, which give it a sophisticated and appealing appearance. The 300 maintains parts of its muscular stance and wide-open grille, both of which are elements of classic design. The 300 also keeps some of its other characteristics, including roomy and sophisticated. The inside is roomy and sophisticated, with the most recent technologies and high-quality materials all throughout. Comforting accommodation. The 300 features comfortable accommodations that can accommodate up to 5 people. In addition to other driver assistance systems, this vehicle comes equipped with a computerized set of instruments, a huge touchscreen entertainment system, and other sophisticated technologies. The way it functions. Power from the engine. The V8 engine that is found in the 300 has a great deal of power and speed. Regardless of how bad the road may be, the 300 makes travel more comfortable and trouble-free. Due to the fact that it is equipped with rear-wheel drive, the 300 makes driving unexpected and entertaining. Characteristics that are essential. The 300 comes standard with the Uconnect infotainment system, which is characterized by a straightforward design and a substantial variety of connectors. Great safety features. The 300 comes equipped with a number of great safety features, including lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision warning. High-end technologies. The 300 is equipped with the most recent innovations, premium materials, and a wonderful interior that provides ample space for goods. Regarding accessibility and costs. It is estimated that the price of the 2025 Chrysler 300 is comparable to that of other premium automobiles already on the market. The specific costs will be determined by the market as well as the many options that are available. It is possible to purchase the 300 in a number of different sites all over the world. After all, in the year 2025, the Chrysler 300 is a luxurious automobile that is very roomy. It has a straightforward operation and is easy to use. For those who are looking for a high-end vehicle, this is a good choice because it possesses a powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, and an appearance that is timeless. Even though it might not be as athletic as some of its rivals, the 300 provides an excellent blend of cost, utility, and comfort. This is despite the fact that it contains a number of features.